Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices will decline marginally tomorrow, barely impacting the roughly $13 increase in the last 4 weeks. 25 cents will be subtracted from the cost of a litre of 87 and 90 gasoline. Automotive diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also cost 25 cents less. 23 cents will be removed from the price of kerosene. Consumers will pay 50 cents less for propane, while butane will cost 68 cents more. And on the global market, oil prices fell today to a near 4-week low after U.S. crude stocks rose more than expected as gasoline inventories in the world's largest oil consumer hit a 4-year low. Brent crude futures fell by $2.73 to settle at $81.99 a barrel. Victoria Mutual will now be called VM Group. The company launched its rebranding today. Our business reporter Javon Keys was at the launch.
Victoria Mutual Group and all its subsidiaries will now bear the name VM. The changes see a new logo, tagline and color scheme, but VM Group's head Courtney Campbell says the rebranding forms part of an overall transformation of the company.
We have changed our logo, so we have removed the circle and the reference to the house because, we're more than a building society now. VM Building Society is now offering most products that are offered by the commercial banks. The only thing that's missing with the checking accounts, because in fact in a few months we'll start to offer credit cards and next year we'll offer international debit. We're looking also at introducing video banking very shortly as a new exciting channel for our members to access their service.
He says the name change is in line with overall changes to the company's operation, including an expansion of its digital strategy.
Over several years, we have already spent over $2 billion on our digital transformation, and that has to do with upgrading our operating systems and introducing these new channels. But that's a work that will continue. That's a program that actually will be ongoing beyond 2023.
Mr. Campbell says VM Group has also applied to be a part of the Bank of Jamaica's Central Bank Digital Currency CBDC next year. Meanwhile, as some building societies and financial companies have transitioned to become banks recently, will VMBS do the same?
Is this transition a hint at a possible move towards becoming a bank?
Actually, we have no plans for that now. But we will continue to expand the range of products and services offered to our members. We'll continue to offer new service delivery channels so that services access to financial solutions is more convenient. So that's our commitment.
For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
$156.07 is the average selling rate for the U.S. currency. It's costing $126.72 for the Canadian dollar, $212.31 is the going rate for the pound, and $185.30 for the euro. The JC Index gained 583 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 16 points. Advancing today were Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Siboney Group, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Cargo Handlers and the G-West Corporation, while on the losing side were 1834 Investments, Epley's 7.5% shares due 2024, Epley's Caribbean Property Fund, Carreras and First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.